Hello. How are you? Welcome to the channel Animalia in Focus. In today's video we're going to talk about animals that have superpowers, and how they relate to real-life superheroes. Did you know that there are animals that have incredible abilities that even superheroes would like to have? Let's meet some of them in this video. So first of all, I ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment. This helps YouTube content creators a lot. The first animal we will see is our beloved bee. This little insect is more powerful than its size can show. Bees are amazing animals and have many superpowers. One of the most impressive features is its ability to fly at high altitudes thanks to its incredibly fast wings, which beat around 200 times per second. This allows bees to move quickly from one flower to another in search of nectar and pollen, which is essential for their survival. In addition, bees have a kind of natural GPS, which helps them find their way back to the hive, even in unfamiliar areas. This system is based on a combination of visual cues, orientation by the sun's position, and the magnetic sensitivity of its compound eyes. Bees can also use the position of flowers relative to the sun to find their way back to the hive. Another interesting curiosity is that bees are highly organized animals and work together to keep a beehive functioning. Worker bees, for example, are responsible for collecting nectar and pollen, caring for the young, and keeping the hive clean. Queen bees are responsible for reproduction, while drones are responsible for reproduction and heating the hive. Bees are also important for the pollination of many plants, including many species of fruits and vegetables. Without bees, many of these plants would not be able to reproduce and would eventually disappear. Unfortunately, compost populations are declining worldwide due to a variety of factors including pesticide use, habitat loss, and climate change. That's why it's important to protect these amazing animals and do our part to ensure their survival. Our next animal is the octopus. One of the most impressive abilities of octopuses is their ability to camouflage themselves extremely efficiently, changing the texture and color of their skin to blend in with their surroundings. This ability is made possible by specialized cells in your skin called chromatophores, which are able to contract or expand to create different colors and textures. In addition, the octopus can also expel an ink to distract its predators and escape. This ink is released through a small hole in its head and is capable of creating a dark cloud that confuses its enemies and allows the octopus to flee quickly. This is indeed a superpower that could be coveted even by movie superheroes, isn't it? Another incredible ability of the octopus is its ability to regrow body limbs. If the octopus loses one of its arms, it is able to regrow a new limb in its place. This ability is possible thanks to the ability of the octopus to rebuild damaged tissue, which makes it a study model for regenerative medicine. The octopus is also a highly intelligent animal and is able to solve problems and use tools to obtain food. It is able to open jars and boxes to access the food inside, and has been observed using coconuts and snail shells for shelter and protection. Interestingly, the octopus lacks an internal skeleton and is able to squeeze through small openings. In addition, he is a solitary animal and generally avoids contact with other octopuses, except during mating. Now we'll see our last animal that could definitely be on a cover of some superhero movie. We'll talk about it. The hummingbird. He is one of the most fascinating and adorable birds in existence. They are known for their ability to fly quickly and remain motionless in the air, flapping their wings at astonishing speed. But in addition to these remarkable abilities, the hummingbird also has other superpowers that are amazing to behold. One of the hummingbird's most impressive superpowers is its ability to fly backwards. This happens because their wings are flexible and articulated, allowing them to rotate 180 degrees, which makes them able to fly in all directions. Also, the hummingbird is able to fly upwards, down, sideways, and even upside down. Another superpower of the hummingbird is its ability to fly at high speeds. They are capable of flying at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, which is impressive considering the small size of these birds. Additionally, they are able to change direction and speed very quickly, making them difficult for predators to capture. The hummingbird is also capable of an amazing acrobatics known as hanging flight. This means that they are able to remain in the air, motionless, for long periods of time, while beating their wings at an incredible speed of up to 80 beats per second. Another interesting curiosity about hummingbirds is their diet. They feed mainly on the nectar of flowers, but they also feed on small insects such as mosquitoes and spiders. To attract hummingbirds, many people place feeders full of sugar and water for them to feed on. In addition, the hummingbird has an extremely strong and fast heart. Your heart beats at a speed of up to 1,200 beats per minute, which is about 20 times faster than the human heart. This allows them to move around quickly and helps them survive in their natural habitat. Finally, it is important to mention that there are more than 300 species of hummingbirds around the world, each with its own characteristics and abilities. They are true wonders of nature and a true inspiration for those who love birds and nature. We have reached the end of this video. And those were some animals that have superpowers. It's amazing how nature can surprise us with so many incredible abilities. And you, do you know any other animals with superpowers? Leave it in the comments. I would like to thank all of you who have followed this far. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something new from the content. I sincerely hope that this video was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to subscribe now and activate the notification bell to receive all my new videos firsthand. Leave a polite comment and like the video if you liked it. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you soon in another video. Until next time, here on the channel Animalia in Focus.